that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Super ventilated glueless unit. So obviously when I say glueless, I mean glueless. Okay, you are able to take it off, you're able to pull your wig down, up, however you want to adjust it. Super beginner friendly. And in today's video I'm just going to show you guys how I did this quick and easy glueless install featuring this amazing unit from UNice hair. Like, imagine never having to sleep in your unit and just putting it on in like 2 seconds. It's that easy, it's that simple. And if you'd like to see how I got my hair looking like this, just keep on watching. The links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase this lovely unit. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everyday. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. You. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart's I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and eat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a jazz and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body die me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body at the tight like anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man. How you want to run like a nothing? I think that's for me and have my hips stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have burned you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body at the tight and me. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man.
So this is a finished look, and this gorgeous wig is from UNice Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 24-inch body wave super ventilated lace closure wig unit. It's a HD lace closure and it is 100% glueless. It came with just one adjustable strap and it is literally made to be glueless. I'm living for this because I did not do any baby hairs, but it's still giving a frontal vibe, super nice and flat. It's not giving closure at all, and that is something I am living for. I did put some layers in this unit, so everything is just falling perfectly, and I am living for these curls. And the fact that this unit is 100% glueless, it was so easy to straighten. I'm so surprised. Usually you'd have to blow dry body wave hair and then curl it up, but I just curled it, no blow dryer, no nothing on it, and these curls came out amazing. So if you'd just like to get your hands on something quick, easy, simple, and very time efficient, super beginner friendly, this is definitely the unit from UNice Hair. So don't forget to go ahead and check those links in the description box. And as you guys can see, the hair is really nice and full, so if that's something you're also looking for, this wig is it for you. So definitely don't forget to go ahead and check those links out, and without further ado, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye babes. Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, you already know the deal. So in today's video, I'm gonna just introduce you guys to this very nice unit from UNice Hair. They went ahead and sent me this HD lace closure unit. It is a 24-inch